Got a blizzard. Doesn't seem like it's too crazy right now. We got gusts up to 54 miles per hour. So, blizzard type weather today. Couldn't get the wiper thing, so I am gonna work the windshield wipers myself. The snow isn't too rough. So I got the van wiped off, but as you can see, the roads are just snow. They're like, it doesn't matter if the plows shovel it, it's just gonna go back on. Like with my van, I wiped the window and it just goes back on. You can't see a thing back behind us, and you can't tell if there was a car driven on the road recently. There is just snow right here too, and it's turning to slush because water has run through here after our recent snowstorm earlier, and it just all melts, and then it snows again, and it turns into slush. Heavy snow falling down. Nothing can be shoveled or anything because it'll all just get covered again. At the top of this hill where the snow has increased because this is higher up and they get more snow up on this hill. Now, I'm not sure where I'm going to be walking because I can't see anything, but there's this big, no car.